This stretch is the hamstring toe touch. It's great for your hamstring and lower body. This is a great stretch to warm up before doing a squat. It's great for your hamstring, quads and lower body. This is a great chest opener and helps stretches your pectoral muscles. Make sure you push against the ground as you stretch. The Cobra pike is good for stretching your lower back, core, and your upper and lower body. This stretch might look weird, but it will give your hips, thighs, lats, and lower back muscles a good stretch. This yoga-inspired stretch is great for relieving back pain. Make sure you hold this stretch for about 3 seconds each. This stretch hits every major muscle in your body. It's called the world's greatest stretch for a reason and will help you if you sit at a desk or a computer for long periods. So make sure you do it properly. Lastly, do each of these stretches for around 30 seconds each and before your workout. Thank you for watching.